In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this mesh and animation in 2 minutes. Let's create an icosphere. S to scale and Tab to go to edit mode. 1 to vertex select and Ctrl B to bevel. After pressing Ctrl B, type V as in Victor to vertex bevel like this. 3 to face select. Let's checker deselect and remove the faces. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. We need to add 2 simple deform modifiers. Let's solidify the mesh. I'll add a reflective material like this. Let's create an animation. Type I on the rotation. Go to frame 250 and change the Z rotation to 359 and type I on the rotation. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.